Okay, for the pink one, we do vertical weaving. So we're going to start with this line between the stitches that we've done. We go all the way up, then we go back, take our needle back down, and then we come up and do the same again. So you're going to bring your needle up here, a bit like we did with this one. We're going to hide the stitch behind there, then we're going to weave all the way up, weave all the way down, and hide our stitch back there, so it looks like one continuous movement and you can't see where it starts and stops. So this is the gap between these two sets here. So we're going to start here and come underneath. So again, like we did for the for this zigzag one, I'm just going to bring my needle out to the left of this one. I'm actually brought mine out a little bit above it. I'm going to weave underneath that one first and give it a tug, and that's how I'm going to hide where I started. And then when you come back down and you take your needle down again, you're going to put it in the same place so it looks like one continuous loop. So now I'm going to go underneath these two. And if you leave a little bit of a loop there, you get more of a rounded kind of bottom. Or if you pull it, then it's a bit more flat. I quite like that flatter look. It's a bit more consistent, but you don't want it too tight. So you're going to go under these two, and then these two, all the way up. And because we're weaving, so like this one, when we did our weaving here, because we were going under one, and then the next one, it ended up with a straight line. Because we're going under two, it's creating more of a curve. It elongates the stitch a little bit more. So it looks more curved rather than straight. So you don't want to pull it too tight. It's starting to look too straight. You want to loosen it a little bit. Okay, and then under these two at the top, that's when we turn it round and go back down. So I'm going to go under these ones, over the top of the previous weaving. So you can see there is a straight cross there, but these kind of bend into it to make it a bit more of a soft curve rather than the zigzag straight edges of that. It's a bit of an optical illusion. Okay, and when we get to the end, I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to take it down to the back underneath those stitches, underneath those threads, so that you, and give it a little tug so it's hidden, so you can't really tell where you started and where you finished. And before you move on to the next one, use the eye of your needle to just make sure it's all lying as you want, that you don't have any loose bits or bits that are too tight. And then you're going to come up and you're going to do the next path up. So we started this one here. We're going to start this one here. Give it a tug, then under. And just repeat what you did for the previous one all the way up. And then we have the finished design. So you can see that it looks more rounded than this one. It gives a different effect. Okay, and then we're on to our last weaving, this one.